Hello guys, welcome back. First of all, don't forget to click the subscribe button. This video is about our trip to Simbulak Mountain Resort in Kazakhstan. We are heading to a place to rent the skiing equipments in the city. This is Kadi, located in Abe Avenue in the city. We rent the whole set of the ski equipments and it costs us around 9,000 Kazakhstani tenge or around 17 US dollar. Now we are on our way to the mountain resort. The application to order transport, food and etc. here call as Yanesco. And if you order transport to carry all the ski equipments, you need to check the ski options inside the application so they can provide you a car with a space for your ski equipments. We arrived at the cable car station. The cost is around 15 US dollar round trips going up and back, and the ski pass at the resort. It is way cheaper to rent in the city, but the minus here is we need to carry all the stuffs from the city up to the mountain resort, which is quite troublesome.
Hostel можно, hostel.
Passing through Meru, highest ice skate in the world.
Вот она сидит.
Ternyata berendam. Karena dia pakai itu.
Таких источников в городе где-то 7-8.
There are about 7-8 such sources in the city.
Это все от природы.
It's all from nature.
We are at the ski resort. The resort itself rents a lot of equipment for skiing and snowboard, just with a higher price. The price I paid in the city is around 17 US dollar, but here in the ski resort it costs like 35 US dollar. But of course it's a lot more convenient because you don't need to carry all the stuff from the city up to here. Also, you need to be mindful about the day you're coming. If you're coming on weekend, it might be out of stock unless you come very early in the morning. We are taking a break, having lunch here in Gusto Cafe, located next to the ski rink.
Curin baru datang nih langsung.
Quite tasty food with a reasonable price.
Oh, udah mau makan duluan? Tetap.
Ntar kalau dingin paksa
Ya
dingin
udah.
Cuk.
Kalau mau 14.30, 7 menit. Aman sih. Kamu makan dulu, Des.
Ini udah dingin loh.
Iya.
This stick costs around 27 US dollar, and the taste is so. This is so like 6 out of 10. We are back to skiing, but this time we take a school on how to ski. The school itself is quite affordable as well. We took a package of 3 for 2 hours, and it costs us like 25 US dollar.
Yeah. Yeah, it's going to be better. Come on.
Done with the skiing. For the daytime, they close at 5 p.m. and they're gonna resume again in like 7 p.m. until night. So they have the day pass and night pass. Now we are done and we need to carry all the stuffs, all the equipments back to the city, to the store. In my opinion, it's more convenient to rent in Simburak Mountain Resort. We just need to pay a higher fee and just need to be mindful about the day we're coming. Either it's weekend or weekdays. Done with returning all the equipments, now we are heading for dinner to Kislak restaurant, local restaurant in Almaty.
respon itu ada kehidupan.
Betul betul.
И все-таки мои пацаны на меня словно вышел, начали с камерой, на него смотрят, как они на меня смотрят. Я сказал,
We have tea, and then this is the spinach with mozzarella cheese, and then rice with beef, and the traditional fried rice with horse meat, and the last one is the traditional noodles called as kislak.
Katanya presisinya tuh harus tepat kayak ketemu.
That's it for today. Now we are heading back to our base. Thank you guys for watching. See you on next video. Bye.